Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I was making pizza. I'll tell you that this one is with something really good, but it's healthy. This one is with pineapple, and this one is with marinara sauce, and this one is with mushrooms, and also ham. My favorite ham. But this one is a bit healthy, but actually it's so healthy because it has black sugar, and black sugar is really brown sugar because it's really good. It's a bit healthy. So this, I'll tell you what it has. This one has pineapples and apples and sugar. And some butter. It's a dessert pizza. And bye.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.